Okay, so you should have a tray, some note cards, and then a beaker of black beans, or there might be some white beans in there too, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and go through the steps to the Predator Prey Lab. First, you're going to drop 3 beans randomly. Okay, and then you are going to drop 1 Predator note card onto the table or onto your tray from 12 inches above and attempt to make the card touch as many prey as possible. In order to survive, the predator must capture at least 3 prey. It will be impossible for your predator to survive at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of like drop this in a way that I can get all 3 of these beans, but I don't think it's going to happen. Okay, so it looks like it's only covering 1 bean. So this predator does not survive because he did not eat 3 prey. So we're going to put him in the dead pile. This prey was eaten, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the dead pile. Now I'm going to take my tally. How many prey do I have? I have 2 prey. And how many predators? I have 0. All right, so now we're into the next, we are now into the next generation. So we're going to go ahead and double the prey, and that's now we add 2 more. So I'm going to go ahead and randomly drop them. Whoops, they fell off the tray. Randomly drop them. Okay, so don't be so vigorous with your dropping technique here. Okay, great. So now I have another prey, and I'm going to try and drop the card from about 12 inches above. Don't cheat here. Okay, so it looks like I only got 1. That's not enough for this predator to survive. So this predator dies, and so does this bean that he ate. Okay, now I'm going to record what I have. I have 3 prey and 0 predators. Now I'm going to double the generation of the population of my prey. Okay, so now I have 6 prey, and I'm going to take another predator card, and I'm going to try and drop it from 12 inches above to get 3 prey. Oh, darn it. Okay, so this predator does not live at all. He does not get prey. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prey at the end of this generation, so I'll record that, and I still have 0 predators. So now I need 6 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to go ahead and drop them. Okay, I'm going to take out my new prey card. You keep taking a new one until you get prey. I'm going to go ahead and drop it from about 12 inches above. Darn it. Okay, so this guy dies again because he doesn't have 3 prey. We have 12 beans, so we want to add 12 more. We double after every generation. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and drop it. Okay, surely I'll be able to get one. Okay, so now we have a new piece of prey, and or predator, and we're going to go ahead and drop it and try and get 3 beans. Oh, score. Okay, cool. So now this predator survives because he covered up these 3 beans. So these 3 beans are dead. This predator survives, so I'm just going to keep it right here for the next round. And then you're going to count the number of beans you have. Right now, I have 21 beans. So I need to now record that. I have 21 beans. Record. I have 1 predator. Okay. Record that. End of generation. Next generation. We double the number of predators we have. So now I will have 2 predators for this generation. And I have 21 here. So that means I need to have 21 more beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, then I'm going to drop my predator card, and then we're going to remove it immediately. So we'll see here. This guy only covered 2 beans, so he dies. But these 2 beans get taken away. Now I'm going to drop my second predator card. Awesome. So this guy covered 5 beans. He survives because he was able to get more than 3. So we keep him around. Count the number of beans. Count the number of predators. I have 1 predator at the end of the generation. And I have, I don't know how many beans after the end. Once the generation's over, you double the number of predators and you double the number of beans. You keep doing this until you reach 3, until you decrease to 3 predators. It might take a little while. You have a lot, and then you'll have a little. If you need to add more boxes to your chart, then you add more boxes to your chart. If you don't use all the boxes in your table, that's okay.